Module 27, Debugging Calendar Display. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos from this channel. Also, subscribe and share. It will be helpful for the channel. Alright, let's go to our folder, go to C drive, access projects. In the last video, I noticed that the calendar was not displaying correctly. So let's make a copy of this latest folder. Copy the module 26. Control C, Control V, and then we're going to rename that 27. Debugging calendar display. I guess that's an appropriate name. Display. Alright, let's go in there. This shouldn't be too long. I don't foresee that's going to be a major here. I have an idea. Well, let's take a look at it first. If we go to calendar here. Oh, by the way, we are now working against the link tables. You see there, we have come a long way from access programming to access database tables. Now we are ported to the SQL Server database, so you can no longer manipulate these tables from here, but you can manipulate it from the SQL Server Management Studio. All right, so just keeping that, we have come a long way. You guys are doing real good. All right, let's take a look at this calendar. I am going to go back to 2021, and in the last December, you see the activity is 111. However, it says 5 here. All right, but it's just displaying one activity regardless. So even this one, it says 2 here, but we have 1 here. So I'm thinking it's not counting correctly. All right, the calendar is not counting correctly. This one seems to be right since we have 2 activities here. All right, let's take a look at this guy. Outgoing. See, different time. So this seems to be right because this record comes directly from the table. All right, so that seems to be right. Let's take a look at the outgoing email. Nada. Anything in November? No, we only did stuff in December. So yeah, so I think the records on the right here are correct, except the calendar is not displaying correctly. So we are going to see why the calendar function, what the calendar is doing here. I'm going to open up this guy right here, this calendar. Right click, view, design, and I'm going to go to right here, view code, in the display right here. All right, in the display right here. If we take a look at this guy, it says number of item. I'm going to follow that. All right, right click on that, or not right click, but just highlight that. Control F, it brings up the file. Make sure the current module is selected, and then find next. So it's going to go through down. We're going to go to the function. All right, there's the function. Now, if it's activity, it says display activity. So I'm just going to F5 again, and that display number of activity. Now we're going to go to find it. There it is. That's a function. Now it says get the number of activity here. All right. Let's go there, right here. This function displays the number of activities. So I'm going to remove that. So now take a look at it. In here, I noticed that, okay, right here, I think I see it. See here, it says exit 4. So it never add it never add more than just one. All right. Once it finds it, it exit the 4. All right. I think if we remove this guy, we should be good there. Now, if it has 2, instead of just find 1 and exit, it's going to keep finding until we get that number for that date, for this date. All right. So I think that's the problem. Likewise, there is another one right here, display number of orders. Similarly here, we don't want just get one number. We want to get more than just one number if there exists. All right. So I think that was the problem. I wonder if we copy these functions from somewhere and then not removing that exit 4. Let's see. Did we copy that from somewhere? Remember, we implement this differently from the original. Oh, we might have copied. See this guy? We might have copied this guy. All right. So we might have copied one of these guys. See how it's got exit 4. All right. So that's the issues with copying, is that you have to make sure that you are doing what you're supposed to be doing. So, but in any ways, let's go take a look at it again. Like I said, this could be a very short video. All right. So I'm gonna close that out. Go back, and let's go to calendar, and now change that to 21. Back to December, where the activities are happening. Now we got 3 right here. You see there? That's what we need to be doing. So the 3, 4, and 5. See there? 5. Now that jives. All right. As expected, these are correct. These records come from the table itself. So this is not the issue. The issue is displaying the numbers. All right. There you go. That was a quick fix. That was a quick fix. That goes to show you how you logic your way into doing things. If you understand your own logic, you should recognize that, hey, this records come from the table, so this should be correct. However, see this, guys, and that's prompted me to go to that displaying number of activities. Let's see the orders now. The order should be the same. All right. We don't have anything new. How about incomplete? How about complete? We got 1. That's perfect. That's 1. Let's go to October. Got 1. That's good. How about incomplete? None. How about new? 21. Let's count 1. 3 right here. 3. Oh, that's 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Perfect. That's how that works. You see there? Now we're getting 3 orders. 1 order. 2 orders. You see there? So now it is displaying correctly. So that's what I expected. Yeah, I suspected that these displaying numbers of number of orders or activities incorrect. And that's that. That's just this video is a short debugging. Alright, that's all for this video, is to debug this displaying activities and numbers. Let's see if our holiday is correct. Right. See that? Holiday was Saturday. Good. The holidays work, so we'll be able to use all holiday function as well. There you have it. That was a quick fix. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.